Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making an essential, perfect Snickerdoodle cake recipe. It's going to be perfect for all of your Snickerdoodle needs. It's going to be very easy, it's going to be very quick, it's going to have all that Snickerdoodle rich flavor that we all know, we all love, and we all find so tasty. So let's go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Be sure to grab the recipe link down below. It's right underneath the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway link. And let's go ahead and get started on some delicious cake. So our first step is going to be to grab all of our dry ingredients and whisk them together. So in our mixing bowl, we're going to go ahead and add in our flour, our baking powder, our cinnamon, and our salt. Then we're going to go ahead and give that a nice quick little whisk. And once you have all those ingredients nicely combined and whisked together, we're going to go ahead, scoot those to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and we're going to follow that by adding in our vegetable shortening. And with our hand mixer on a medium-high speed, we're going to go ahead and whip up this shortening until it's light and fluffy. Now let's go ahead and add in our sugar and give that a nice good mix on a medium speed with our hand mixer until it's fully incorporated with our vegetable shortening. And our next step is going to be to add in our eggs one at a time. Give a mix, add another egg, give a mix until all of your eggs are fully incorporated into your batter. So one egg, mix it up, another egg, another mix, another egg, and another mix, another egg, another mix, and our last egg, and our last mix. Then switching to a low speed, we're going to go ahead and add in our vanilla and stir that in. Now our last and final step to this quick, easy Snickerdoodle cake recipe is going to be to alternate by adding in our flour and our milk. So we're going to start and end with our flour and add in our milk after each flour addition, mixing all throughout. So we'll add a little bit of flour, a little bit of milk, and give a mix. And then more flour, more milk, more mixing. And then we're going to go ahead with the last of our flour and add that in and continue on that low speed until all of our flour is fully incorporated. Now we're going to go ahead and pour our Snickerdoodle cake batter into our prepared pan lined with some parchment paper so there's no sticky bottoms. Then we're going to go ahead and place that in the oven and let bake for a good 20 minutes or until our cake tester comes out clean. So our cake is baked, it's cooled, it has that yummy, tasty Snickerdoodle golden flavor, and look, it's just the perfect essential Snickerdoodle cake for any Snickerdoodle fan. Well, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking recipes and sharing recipes with you guys that you all want to see and that you all like. And while you're down there giving this video a thumbs up, be sure to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future delicious, yummy recipes. And while you're down there even more, give a click on that giveaway. Mixed up my words there. Give a click on that giveaway link for the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. We're coming up very soon on announcing that first winner, first of many. So you want to be sure to click that. That'll have all the info that you're looking for and need and how to enter. So you might as well just do it, get in on the action. Why not, right? It's a free KitchenAid stand mixer. Go ahead and enter. You might win. And if you make your own delicious Snickerdoodle cake, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're doing in your kitchen. Let me see how you decorate this yummy, perfect, essential Snickerdoodle cake. And I'm gonna go ahead now and have a slice of this with a little yummy slab of cream cheese, grab some coffee, hang out with Gwenny for a bit, enjoy the day, but I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.